who scored today in this latest 2-1 win, the last home win under Alec Ferguson. Anderson, very popular member of the Dark Always play, of course, a cheerful character. Danny Welbeck, sure, we'll be hoping that many more of these moments to come still at the start of his career. So is Phil Jones, who gets this as his first major honour. He started the last 8 games too. Anders Lindegaard, most of the season, the backup goalkeeper, but not all of it. He was Sparro's first choice. And Wayne Rooney, not involved today. One wonders what his future will hold, but no indication of any difficulties there. And of course, he's played under David Moyes before. Alex Butner gets a medal, although he's only made 4 appearances. They've changed the regulations this season. Haven't seen too much of Nani either. Had some injuries and been out of favour. David De Gea, another first honour with the club. Raphael, who missed out today in the match through suspension. He's had a very good season.
Hey.
And certainly Robin van Persie, who turned his back on Arsenal, a club he loved very much. We shouldn't forget that. For the chance to win on this here, and he's not been disappointed. 4 goals, we want to get this done, get out of it, get home, put his feet up, have a cup of tea. 11 Premier League winners' medals. Antonio Valencia played his 100th Premier League game today in this success. Tom Cleverley, another representative of the future of Manchester United. First player from Japan to win a medal, Shinji Kagawa. Ryan Giggs to do this in his sleep. 13 now. Incredible, absolutely incredible. Johnny Evans to get married at the end of the season. Ashley Young has had to give it out, as you can see, because of an ankle problem. And Chris Smalling as well. Patrice Evra stood in as the vice-captain. Very strong voice in the dressing room. Influential Frenchman. He's added goals to his game this season. And the captain. 5th Premier League title for Nemanja Vidic. So this is the presentation, and we wonder whether the manager will be involved. Of glory, going out on top as manager of the champions.
Michael, what a special moment that was.
Unbelievable. I mean, it's happened 13 times in his time, but every time is special. I mean, to be this close without being involved is the first time for me, but to be this close, you actually feel it. Did you not do that?
Did it bring it all back, right?
Well, it does. I mean, I've been very fortunate to play at this place, and you know, looking at those scenes and the pictures here tells it all, really. It's just a fantastic occasion. It's a great feeling for any player.
I said these are the greatest days of your life as a football player, winning the championship. That's a very, very few and far between of those younger players, the likes of De Gea and Raphael and Phil Jones. A special, special moments, they really are.
What about the other end of the scale, Gary? You put a little word with Ryan Giggs before we went out. When it's number 13 and for Paul Scholes when it's number 11, does it get all the more sweet?
Well, they just keep on going. It's like Martin said in his line when he was, it's normal for them players to continue to win championships. They keep coming back year after year after year. And the manager, I have to say, is a huge part of that. He sets the tone right the way through the football club. Next year, Ryan Giggs will be in that dressing room. David Moyes is going to be the manager, he has got the perfect dressing room manager in Ryan Giggs. I'm sure he's somebody that he'll get on side straight away, because the mentality through that dressing room, he makes sure those lads never step out of line in there.
That's right, isn't it, Dwight? Ryan Giggs still got a big part to play at this football club.
Oh, absolutely, and what an important play as well. You know, his football has been fantastic this season, and you know, even though he's taken a little bit reserved there, but he would be enjoying it, and he knows that that the team needs to go forward, and that's exactly what will happen with David Moyes coming in, the new manager. You know, it's good to have people like Ryan Giggs around, and I'm sure they'll be in good stead.
And as they celebrate, Peter, is that his greatest achievement, to Alex Ferguson and Steve Bruce and Brian Robson? Come over to join. It all started back in '93, the Becks, and over and over and over again.
Actually, it started this end. Bruce has scored 2 goals here that actually turned it our way. We were 1-0 down to Sheffield Wednesday, and for some reason he turned up and scored 2 goals. Absolutely fantastic. And that's why the 2 guys ended up lifting that trophy.
Steve, do you still remember those goals? Those goals that Peter refers to, those famous goals he scored at this end, the header in particular.
20 years ago, can you believe it? And by the look of him, it looks 20 years ago.
And with you coming back